Sentences with put on. I will put on my jacket.
I will put on my jacket.
She put on her glasses.
She put on her glasses.
He put on the new shirt.
He put on the new shirt.
They put on a play last night.
They put on a play last night.
We need to put on our shoes.
We need to put on our shoes.
The children put on their costumes.
The children put on their costumes.
I put on some music.
I put on some music.
She put on a lot of weight.
She put on a lot of weight.
He put on his watch.
He put on his watch.
They put on a big event.
They put on a big event.
I put on my seatbelt.
I put on my seatbelt.
She put on her makeup.
She put on her makeup.
He put on a brave face.
He put on a brave face.
We put on the lights.
We put on the lights.
They put on a new roof.
They put on a new roof.
I put on some weight during the holidays.
I put on some weight during the holidays.
She put on her gloves.
She put on her gloves.
He put on a hat.
He put on a hat.
They put on a lot of effort.
They put on a lot of effort.
We put on our coats before leaving.
We put on our coats before leaving.
I put on my best dress.
I put on my best dress.
She put on a serious face.
She put on a serious face.
He put on some weight recently.
He put on some weight recently.
They put on a show for us.
They put on a show for us.
We put on new tires.
We put on new tires.
I put on the kettle.
I put on the kettle.
She put on her headphones.
She put on her headphones.
He put on his thinking cap.
He put on his thinking cap.
They put on a lot of enthusiasm.
They put on a lot of enthusiasm.
We put on our uniforms.
We put on our uniforms.
I put on some sunscreen.
I put on some sunscreen.
She put on her necklace.
She put on her necklace.
He put on a new pair of shoes.
He put on a new pair of shoes.
They put on a brave front.
They put on a brave front.
We put on the TV.
We put on the TV.
I put on my headphones and worked.
I put on my headphones and worked.
She put on a warm smile.
She put on a warm smile.
He put on his glasses to read.
He put on his glasses to read.
They put on a new dress for the party.
They put on a new dress for the party.
We put on some extra blankets.
We put on some extra blankets.
I put on my favorite perfume.
I put on my favorite perfume.
She put on a lot of makeup for the event.
She put on a lot of makeup for the event.
He put on the wrong shoes.
He put on the wrong shoes.
They put on a concert last weekend.
They put on a concert last weekend.
We put on our sunglasses.
We put on our sunglasses.
I put on a new pair of gloves.
I put on a new pair of gloves.
She put on her pajamas.
She put on her pajamas.
He put on a brave smile.
He put on a brave smile.
They put on their best clothes.
They put on their best clothes.
We put on the heater because it was cold.
We put on the heater because it was cold. Thanks.